Hi, everybody. This is Angie at ICT Transfers. So I was just going to do a quick walkthrough of the new website. Not everything is loaded yet. However, I do have quite a few things in. We have, if you look at the DTF dropdown, this will give you a nice grouping of the various things. And I am loading new stuff every night. I will have pre-made gang sheets available under this dropdown. They're not there quite yet. If you go to custom gang, this is where you can go to design your own gang sheet. So you click on the image or click on the size that you want. And then you'll go to images down here and you can see this is what I was kind of playing with. But if you want to add in, so say we want to add in a few more designs, and I'm going to add in, say, let's see if add in this design that I'm going to want to print of mine, and maybe I want to do a St. Patty's one, so I'm going to pop that in there. These would be images that you have and you have saved. If you already have a gang sheet designed, you can just pop it in as it is. So you can see that I am just double clicking and they're loading onto the sheet as it is. This tells you what the resolution of each of the files are. This one is a low resolution file, and so it's telling me that it's not going to be great and clear in printing, but so it's up to me and if I want to continue. And then you just space these out however you want. You can see that I wanted 2 of those. It will tell you if you're overlapping. Which is kind of nice. You can size it down to whatever size you want. It tells you over here. So I know I want it 10 inches wide. It'll do exactly what you want it to be. Right here on this one, oh, it looks like you don't have to double click. It looks like a single click because it added each of these twice. So a single click once you load them is all you need to do. On this one, I'm going to take it down to 11 inches. But it's telling, you can scroll in and out with your mouse. It's telling you if you are overlapping on things. This one is already off the sheet because of the width. Remember, you can't go any more than 12 inches, and I would really encourage 11.75 just to give a little bit more space. So let's see here. By doing your own gang sheets, you can add in lots of extra fun things. Oh, it looks like it'll also let you stretch things in different ways as well. So that's kind of interesting. I just got this installed today at 11 o'clock. So this is nice and new for me as well. So we'll be learning as we go. I will appreciate any patience and open feedback and comments as you guys navigate it. Looks like we can turn that. Let me go. Oh, that'll go both ways. Okay. So if I want to go flip it horizontal, I can do that and then stretch it. And this will allow for you to resize anything. And then once you're done, you'll just add it to the cart and then you can check out. It's going to give you a notice about copyright, that I am not responsible for any copyright violations. And you're not supposed to do copyrighted stuff. And then you'll be able to come in here and pay directly on the website. And then it'll notify me that there is an order pending. Make sure you click pick up in store, which would be my porch, so you don't have a shipping charge, unless you do want it shipped, of course. All right. I hope you guys find this new website useful. Let me know what images you need me to get loaded on here, and give me feedback and let me know how this works. Thanks, guys.